Hello guys, this is me Jose. I am part of the TheRendiBrothers, and today it's a long day and I should have uploaded this earlier by the time that we were in quarantine, to be honest. Basically, it's a tutorial like any other tutorials that I have, and of course it would be boring, but it's a tutorial telling you what will be helpful at these times of classes online. Basically, online classes, or any time that you have online classes, it would be good to have these things with you at all times and also be doing all your work, to be honest. Okay, so basically I have a list right here saying all the things that you need. So basically the first thing that of course you will need is a desk. Basically, like this one right here, it's made of wood. A desk that you could write with. Well, when I mean write with, I mean put a paper down, write down. As long as it's a flat table, then you should be fine with that desk. Um, and it should be you should be using it all the time too. Another thing coming with that desk is writing equipment. For example, this erasable pen and anything that you could write with, you should have with you at your desk. And another thing that you should have for online classes is internet, because how else are you supposed to watch this video? Oh well. So basically, without internet, then how are you gonna do online classes as well? Okay. And then the fourth thing that you should have is multiple devices, or at least two devices with you. Or even if you have a computer, just connect it to a monitor like I have it right here. I'm soon gonna have it a third monitor right here. So basically, yeah, one for right here, one device for Zoom, basically the application that you could be using for school online for now. So basically, your online session with your teacher will be right here. And then your other device would be for the work that they're giving you, and hopefully you should be doing that as well. If you can't afford the other device, then you could gladly use one of them. But the thing is that with one, it's just gonna be hard with you. Um, and one important thing you should have, and let me just quickly change it here. It's basically an agenda right here. So basically, any agenda would be fine, but I would tell you to use Trello, mostly because it's an easy to use agenda, and also most of its feature is free. Not everything really, but all you need really is in this application, and it will help you figure out what you're going to be doing for the day that it is that you're on right now. For example, right now it's the 26th for me on April, and I should have been doing more videos, but still. So basically, you can have any agenda, but I would prefer to use Trello mostly because it's easy to use. So basically, I'll show you how to use it really. So you make a board. Yeah, it would make a board for you either ways. So you make a board. Then with the board, you should go to power ups. And also typing calendar and press the add button for the calendar just so you can know what you're going to be doing. It's way more easier to have the calendar on than anything else. So basically with the calendar, you're going to know what assignments are due same day, because whatever it's due that day, it will show in the day. So basically it's good for planning ahead and knowing what's going to be due in the near future. So basically what I would prefer to do is have multiple boards. For example, let's say I have 3 classes, or 3 classes. It's gonna be math, English, and also science. And for each class there should be at least 2 boards. So the first one, like these ones right here, they'll tell you what you have for that class that you're gonna have to do in order to move on. And the second one would be for what you're done with already, what assignments you're done. So basically, you could still see what assignments you've done, and also it will be crossed out in this board. And you should also have doing today tab, mostly because if you have, like, let's say a bunch of assignments and you need to figure out what you're going to be doing, it's good to have the doing today tab, just so you can know what you're going to be doing that same day that you're figuring out. And then the third one, of course, is going to be doing, mostly because if you're someone that will forget what you're doing, it's a good thing to have a tab that says doing, not that. Another thing, like I said, for each class you should have two boards. I mean, two tabs. For example, now that we have the first tab, we have to have the second math. So the second one tab is gonna be math done for math, English done with that one, and science done with that one. So basically, this is gonna be your whole board right here. It's a long one, I know, but it's useful. So basically, you'll know what assignments you have here, and what assignments you're done here, what assignments you're gonna be doing today, and what assignments you're gonna be doing. So basically, I'm gonna show you my personal board, and yeah, I am almost done with all my things, but still. So basically, I have 7 classes. So basically, English, science, engineering, art, math, Spanish, PE. So basically, 7 classes. And I also have another one saying tomorrow's work. So I would be planning ahead of what I'm also going to be doing tomorrow. So basically, knowing what you're going to be doing tomorrow, you will know what you're going to be doing today as well. So it's going to help you a lot, really, to plan out ahead. And doing planning to do today is something that you should have in the board, saying, so basically, I'm not done with any of this, and you move them around really easily. So doing is basically what you're right now doing, for the people that always forget. And then the done section, it's very easy to figure this one out. You're done with all these things. So basically, in the calendar, like I told you to add, you'll be able to see what you've already done, it's gonna happen that same day. For example, if you have a meeting, let's say art meeting, it's gonna be, you're gonna put like the date that it's gonna be happening, so you will know when you're gonna join and all that. And the good thing about the calendar is that you could see what is due this week or what's due this month. So basically, like you're saying right here, this is March, all this is this week, I mean this month, and the thing that's coming for the third monitor is coming this time. So basically, you'll be able to show weeks. So basically, you'll be able to see what you have for that week and all that, just so you can know what you're gonna be doing, and so you don't get confused at all. So basically, that is my list of what you should be doing, what you should have for these times of things. So basically, during these times, you should have at least have these, and it wouldn't be hard to get them either. Basically, the 3 devices could be a phone, a tablet, and a computer. Really, it's not that hard. And then if you want to have music, you got music as well, as long as it doesn't disturb you. So basically, throughout these times, beaches are open because people are protesting. They want to go to beaches. They want to go back to work. Mostly things that they they want to do, they shouldn't do, mostly because now we're trying to kill that not to be named virus. And yeah, people are just crazy out of their minds, to be honest. That's what I think, really. But really, just stay at home, just try to do your work, just go through your day like any other, but inside your house, and do your work in your whatever you're gonna be doing it in. So basically, those are all my tips of what you should be having throughout these times and all that. So good luck. More videos will be coming soon. Hopefully they won't be too delayed. Because mostly I'm too lazy to do things. So basically, yeah. I'll see you later or next video. Bye bye.